So as you can see, all this mess, whatever, all these things that are being covered, and a chair, and was just now was a ladder. I mean, like the installer's ladder that was because of, and yeah, all this dust too. Over there too, just a lot. My old light, don't know where the base gone to. This is my old light with the screws. Because of this, my 52-inch Penco B Star ceiling fan. Here is the remote, the newer logo, the third version logo, which means the latest one. Let me on it. Okay, if you off it here, then you off there. And then when you turn it back on the switch, it will only beep and not turn. Then you press lah to on. This is speed 1. Yeah, I know that is a DC motor, because AC motor no more, is gone. I know, but this fan is very powerful. This is speed 1 is already like blowing like crazy. This is speed 2. Yes, the vacuum too. Speed 3. Yeah, DC fans are known to be very fast for some reason. This is speed 4. I'm gonna do this real quick. Speed 5. And speed 6. Okay, I'm gonna go back to speed 1. Okay, start. By the way, this is the light. Well, the light. Here's nothing. It's over here. This is, it's not dimmable, but it has 3 colors. Yeah. Yellow, and the mixture of those two, my favorite. This is basically like my living room light, just except that it's not dimmable, but I love it. I love it so much. It's brown color. It matches my door, my wardrobe, my everything with the hook. So there. I'll do a full running test later, after like all this, or maybe tomorrow or something. And yeah, those holes. Bye.